Hello students, let's learn about decimal multiplication today. Okay, so decimal multiplication, right? So what is how do you do a decimal multiplication? So let's say you have 1.2 times 2, right? I'm starting with the simplest one, right? So how do you do the decimal multiplication? You consider add this as a normal multiplication. Only thing that is that you need to put a decimal after the number of digits that you see in both the numbers that you are multiplying, right? So let's take this example. So you are doing 12 times 2, so the answer is 2 times 2 is 4, 2. Now you have this answer, you need to count the number of digits in the after the decimal places. So here it is 1 and here it is 0, so total is 1. You need to put a decimal here. That's how you do the decimal multiplication. Now let's say you have number 1.2 divided by multiplied by 1.2, right? So you are going to do this multiplication in a similar way that you do for 12 times 12. This is same, but what is the difference? The only difference is you have one number of digit after the decimal, 1 here and 1 here. So in the final product you need to put decimal after 2 digits from the right, counting from the right side. Okay, so how do you do this? So you have 2 times 2, 1, 2, 4, and then 2 and 1, 144. So this is how you do a normal multiplication, right? So you get answer 144, and you need to count the number of digits. You have total 2 digits, so you'll count from the right hand side 1, 2, and then put a decimal here. So the answer is 1.44. This is a normal 2-digit multiplication. Now let's say you have another number that is 2.4 times 0.2, right? Now let's say 0.02, right? So this is again, if you look at the number closely, it is similar to 24 times 2, and then you just need to add the decimal at the correct places. So how would you do this? You will take 2 times 4 is 8 and 4. Now you count the number of decimal digits. So in this one it is 1, and it is here it is 2. After decimal there are 2 digits, here it is 1. So in the final product you have to put decimal after 3 digits from the right hand side. So 1, 2, and you put a 0 if there is nothing, and then put a decimal and then do this. So this is the final product. Hope you understand. If you have any questions, put in the comments. Thank you.